Well, hello, my berries. This is me, Darkberry32, and I'm coming to you today with outfits that I want to wear but haven't had a chance because I don't know. I just haven't had a place to wear them, but I've always imagined these outfits in my mind. So, if this is something that you think you would like to see, then stay tuned because I'm going to bring you at least 5 different outfits. That's right, 5 different outfits that I've thought about wearing, but just don't have a place to go wear them to. So again, if this is something that you like, go ahead and subscribe, smash the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share. Why not share? Because sharing is caring, and my name is Karen, so why wouldn't you share? So stay tuned, guys. Let's jump right into the video.
Yeah. Yeah. She's out there, we like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Alright guys, so this is one of the first outfits that I've often wanted to wear, but I have not had a chance. These are some jeans that I got from H&M, I believe. Yeah, I got these from H&M. I got the jacket from Forever 21 and the shoes from Forever 21. Just some really nice platform Mary Janes, as you can see. Very easy to wear. I don't know. I feel like I can't wear this until, first of all, it gets really cold because this jacket is it's like a shacket and it's pretty thick. And I really, I don't know. I just think it's like a classic Chanel-esque type of jacket. Love this, this top here I just got from Amazon. And it's just one that just kind of holds you in a little bit. So yeah, I mean, I can definitely wear this with a turtleneck when it does get a little bit colder outside. But I really love the platform shoes. I think it's a really cute outfit. I really do like this. You guys have to tell me what you think. What do you think? Isn't it kind of cute? I just have to have the right place to wear. You know, maybe out with a girlfriend for lunch, or out with the family for lunch or brunch or something like that on a Sunday or a Saturday. So yeah. Really love this outfit. You have to tell me what you think. So on to the next. Alright, so this is look number 2. And I think this is a cute look. But again, I don't have anywhere, like, I haven't gone anywhere that I could actually don this. I can't wear it to work because of the holes in the pants. And then I just think it's a little too much for work. I mean, metallic is in, but it ain't that in that I can wear it to work. So let me just break down everything. The shoes are from The Drop. From Amazon. I got these heels. They're silver. Love. Then the jeans are from Forever 21. This top is from my beloved mother, who is no longer with us. But I thought this was so cute. And it's so crazy because I miss her dearly. And I wish I could show her what I did with her top. So I just thought it was so cute when I saw it in her clothing items. I'm like, I think I can do something with that. And then, of course, I got this metallic purse that I also got from Amazon. And so I just think this is a cute outfit to go out on the town. You know, like if your husband takes you out to dinner and you want to be kind of sassy and it's one of those nights that you can actually sit out on the patio, I think this will make a great outfit. I could don it with some really chunky silver earrings or something like that. But yeah, I love this outfit too. But I need somewhere to go to wear it. You just gotta have that appropriate place to go. So this is it. You guys tell me what you think. Do y'all like the little French tuck that I did here? To give it some, a little jazz, a little jazzy look. So tell me what you guys think. On to the next. All right. So what do you guys think about y'all? I have had this outfit in my head forever. These shoes are kind of tall, but they are a platform. And they don't feel too bad. I have to remember where I ordered them. I ordered them online and I cannot remember. I'll put it here. The name. If I don't put it here, I'll put it in the comments below where I actually got them and try to give you the link to these shoes. I think they were on sale at the time. And it's crazy because the dress that the next outfit that I'm about to put on, which is the dress, I got that from that same out. So if I go and look, and when I put on the next outfit, I'll tell you where I got these shoes from. And then I just have on a pair of jeans that I got from like a thrift store or something like that I put under it. Ideally, I would probably think about putting on some jeans that have like holes in the knee or something like that. But you really can't even see it because this t-shirt is so humongo. And I think I got this t-shirt from a beauty supply store. And then of course I paired the shoes and the bag together. I just thought the two browns would go good together. So I've had this idea in my head forever, and I really, really like it. I think this is another cute outfit to go to brunch or lunch or where else could you go? Just, I don't know, a party. You can go to a get together, you know, really nice get together, or a casual get together, but you want to make a statement when you walk through the door. And I think something like this would definitely make a statement, and you're still cool and casual all at the same time. You guys got to give me your comments. You got to tell me what your girl is working with, because I do have a lot of ideas. I just sometimes, you know, I go to work, go to church, come home, and there's only so much you can do with your style when you're at work and stuff like that. And this is not work appropriate, baby. They were like, what are you doing? So anyway, this is the third outfit of from my brain. So yeah, tell me what you guys think, and let's get on to the next. All right, guys, here is the green dress that I promised you. I actually got the shoes and the dress from reddress.com. That's right, reddress.com. Look them up. They had a killer sale, and I think I got both of these items on sale. Now you're probably saying to yourself, why can't you wear that? Like, it's short. Very short. Can't wear this to work like this, but I can wear this out at lunch and brunch and a party. But I just have to have an invite to somewhere that I feel like it's worthy for me to go. I mean, most of the times when we have get-togethers, it's blue jeans and shorts and sneakers and that type of thing. And I like to dress up, so I need a place to go to be dressed up, because these ideas are in my head and I can't wear them. But anyway, I really love this dress. In the back, there's a little way that you can tie like a little bow. And I feel like it's really cute for like right now for this time, like transitioning from summer to fall. This is perfect because it has the brown for the fall, and then it's a cute kind of flirty dress, because if it's warm where you are, then this will be just perfect. Now, don't you think? Isn't this the cutest? I have yet to wear this dress, y'all. I have not worn this dress anyway, I don't think. And if I do wear it to work, I would have to put on a cardigan, which will cover up the bow, and then wear some flats just to make it look conservative to work in a banking environment. I don't want to do that. I want to wear this like this. Look, the shoes and the bag. I just want to. And I really, truly love it. But again, do you guys have these ideas in your head and you just don't have a place to wear them? Yeah, I don't know. All right, guys, let's get on to the next. All right, guys, so this outfit, I could pretty much wear this anywhere. Like if my daughter and I go shopping and we want to go to lunch, that type of thing. I could possibly even wear it to work too. I just don't want to come off too casual. However, also my profile picture at work has this dress on, so I hesitate to wear this to work because it's the same picture. Like I have the same dress on in the picture, so I decided not to. But yeah, I thought this would be really cute, you know, just kind of kicking it with my daughter or my son if we go somewhere with these Nike Burrows. I got these off of, I think it was Nordstrom.com, and these are the kid size, and I can wear the kids, and I feel like they're really comfortable, kind of cute. Again, this outfit has been playing in my head for the longest time. I just haven't worn it. But I feel like, you know, if Kayla and I go somewhere, then I could definitely wear something like this and still be like the cool mom, I guess you can say. I don't know, y'all. I'll be trying over here. But yes, this is it. This is my last and final outfit. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this idea for videos. I do have a whole nother collection, 5 more of outfits that I've had in my head that I haven't gotten to wear. So keep looking forward to those videos. They will be coming to you within the week and stuff like that. But if you liked it, thank you for hitting the thumbs up. At least I hope that's what you did, because you liked the video. And also don't forget again to subscribe and go ahead and share the video, because there may be some people out there that want some of the same ideas and they got places to go that they can wear these type of outfits and stuff, and I'm giving them ideas. So I would love that for you guys to do that for me. All right, so again, thank you again for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.
come with me.